How to make abstract art in Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make abstract art in Canva. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Canva in our browser and simply sign into it. Next is we are going to customize the size. If you don't want to customize, you can actually choose from the default presentations or sizes that we have. As for me, I use the A4. Next is that we are going to go to the Elements section here in the left-hand panel of our Canva. So here in the Elements section, what we're going to do is to search for line art. So there are actually a lot of graphics or photos that you can make use of and create abstract designs. So say for example, I would not be making use of a person, but instead an inanimate object. So I'm going to make use of this heart line. Okay, and then afterwards, we're going to simply resize it accordingly. Once done resizing and repositioning, next thing that we're going to do is to search for color or like watercolor. So you just need to choose the watercolor of your choice. As for me, I would like to have the pink and red, purple kind of colors. So I'm going to send this backward or send to back. So go to the layer section and send to back. Alright. Now choose another watercolor design afterwards and simply repeat the process. Right click onto it, reposition it, and go to the layer section and send backward. Okay. You can simply try to look for other watercolors. However, it would be a little difficult since a lot of the watercolors are only available for Canva Pro users. Right. So the colors that I am using right now are available for the Canva free users. There. Now, next is simply continue the process and repeat. Alright, so once you are continuing the process, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the search bar of our Elements section and we're going to look for splash paints. So say for instance, we're going to make use of this one, just the very subtle like splash paints, and we're going to right click on it and simply send click on layer and send backward as well. Okay, so we could also change the color of the splash paint. You just need to go to the block above in the menu bar and click on the splash paint. I'm just going to simply duplicate this one and place it right here below. And there, choose the color, and there you have it. So you can now save your abstract art afterwards. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful.